Can I please request all of you to the end user part? So now let's do the end user part. So the BP has to be in editable display mode. Okay. Can I please request all of you to go on mute? Thank you. BP has to be in display mode, so I'll just make it display. Now /show AC38. I'm receiving the bits. RFK mix bit sample. So the system is not integrated. I'm creating bits manually. Load the variant Z102 bits. Okay. Now here, say $20 into 4, 20 into 4 billable items are coming. Now here you see I have main item, payment data, tax data, text or technical data. So now I'll go to the tax data, payment data. Earlier I have never gone to payment data. So come here, generate payment data item. Check this. Okay. Now here you can mention amount according to the main item. That is, in the main item, whatever may be the amount will come, and it will, I hope it will be smart enough to add the taxes and all. Okay. So although it's 20 into 5%, or I don't recall, 80 into 5%, so 84. Okay. Let's see whether it is able to collect 84 or not. I'm not putting any amount. Okay. So I can put a maximum payment amount. Say I put a maximum. Okay, let's not put any payment amount. Let's see whether it is able to uh, do it. Authorized amount I can do. I am authorizing $100 maximum authorized amount, $100. Authorization would be needed. And here in the credit card, CC has to read the card information from the business partner master and push the card information. Okay, so the card type is 0002 and the card number is this one. If CC cannot do it, then we have to do it using the BUT0CC table, using the enhancement event enhancement 05. Yes, Praveen, tell me.
Yes, sir. What is this authorized amount? Probably I may have lost in between. So what
Authorization
exactly?
means there has to authorization must also flow with the um, payment information. Okay, because there has to be an authorization. Without the authorization, the payment will not take place. Okay, how
This will
much
be
how
paid
much
by the
money?
company or by the business, by the customer or by the
No,
business?
no, in an integrated system, the authorization amount will also flow from CC. Okay,
Okay,
authorized means
okay,
how much money is authorized to be paid. Okay, let me
okay.
try without authorization amount. If it doesn't work, then I'll put an amount. Okay, so so with that, with the information, so I did not put any amount and I did not put any authorized amount as well. So I'll create a variant, separate variant, maybe uh Z102 pay payment. Okay, good. It is accommodating Z102 payment, separate separate variant I'm creating, save. Okay, now let's generate a bit and see whether the payment information can be stored without the amounts also. Okay, so again, this enrichment we did in that Iraqi project, this enrichment was added. But if CC is able to send it to us, then no such enhancement enrichment is needed in 05 event. Okay, so now with that I am executing. Okay, so 4 billable items are generated. Get inside in the billable item. Okay, it went to raw, I think. Nah, okay, new theme. So the icons look different. Raw, the dot will be not there. Okay, you see a small dot in the middle. That dot will be missing for raw. So billable items are generated. Still, we don't see any impact. We can see the impact in the table also. Let me see the table whether the payment items are generated or not. /o AC16N star Z102 star. I hope I'm recording. Yes. So here we have seen the zero IT table, sorry, B level, 2 IT table. We have never seen the 2PY table. 2PY table is for the billable payment information. Okay. So 2 IT, that is billable, uh, that I mean billable normal main item population we have seen. Now 2PY, if the payment information also came, that 2PY will also be populated. Go to 2PY and execute. Okay, good. Payment information is there. Okay, so 4 line items are generated. So payment information, the payment card details, does it hold? No, it doesn't hold. So payment information is coming. Okay, now let's do billing and invoicing. Select and go to bill. 15.1 is a bill from 15.1. Execute. Billing document is generated. Go to the billing document and we see items are there. See, the payment items is also green. The theme is different. In the classic theme, this green is easily identifiable. Okay, so item, payment data item, and source item. Ideally, initially item and source item would populate. Now the payment data items are also getting populated. Okay, so go to the payment data item, and here you will see payment data item is also stored here. Here I have seen the payment amount, always it adds 20% to it. I don't know what is causing this. So my my items were of 2020 2020, but when I see the payment data item, it adds 20%. In the previous batch also I have done 30 30 30 30. The payment card item came with 36 36 36 36, but it will not impact the posting. In the posting itself it will have the correct amount. Okay. But here you'll see in these tables it will come like 24 24 20% is added. Okay, but posting will not be impacted. So now since it is built, it will go away from 2PY and it will go to 4PY. Okay, so refresh, nothing is left in 2PY. This is similar to main item. Now it will go to 4PY00, because 4PY00 is billable item for payment. Okay, so build, it is now build 4PY00. Okay, you will find this in this table. 4PY00 build payment data. Double click 4PY00, then execute. Now these will appear in the build data. 24 24 24 24. Okay, all these informations are there. Why do I get a priority? I don't know. Now billing is done. Next step is invoicing. In the invoicing, it is supposed to create 2 documents. One invoicing document and the other one is a payment document also. Okay, so select, then run invoicing. Let me check the invoice from date, maybe 18th of February. 18th of February. Go back, select all, invoice. Invoicing process 12. Remember in this 12, I have added the P card PAY MNT. If the invoicing process is not added, it will not work. Okay, posting document will not work, and zero PCP also I have added, and the account maintenance was already added. Okay, so now execute. Do you want to create the key? Click on yes. Reconciliation key is created. Click on yes. Now I believe the invoice amount will be zero because it is paid. It is supposed to be paid if all the config is working fine. Invoice amount is zero. Okay, so here we had these 4 billable item and this tax item. So 84, total 84 amount of invoice was posted, and see 21 21 21 21, that is 84 amount of pay card is also posted. So if you put a summation here in the invoicing line item, there will be no amount left, no balance left. Okay, now let's go to the FICA side because it is supposed to post 2 documents. So go to the posting document. It has posted. Okay, for each PCP it has posted separate document, zero PCP. So here it is the normal invoicing amount, invoicing document, and along with that it has posted 21. So here you will see customer is getting credited in the normal invoice. Customer is debited 21. So this is customer line BP and CA 21, 21, 21, 21. And in each of the following four documents here, customer C, customer minus 21, minus 21. And here it will take the uh, initial GL. So we have configured that if the payment comes using the 0002 card type, that is Amex card, then collect the payment using this GL, so that we can do the settlement later to the particular to the 0 series GL. And mostly we use 1 series GL to collect the money, and later we transfer it to a 0 series GL. This is the normal. This is how the EBS works. So that at any time, if I run the balance of 1 series GL, and if I find any balance left, that means there must be some unsettled amount. Okay, so it is similar to payment clarification also. If at any time if you run the clarification GL and find a balance left, that means the amount, there are some amount that needs to be clarified. Okay, so now every of the four document, it will be the BP will be created with 21, 21, 21, 21. Okay, and in the header it is still 77, that is CI invoicing posted during uh, invoicing, although it's a payment document, but it is 77. Okay, and the document type is also IN. Okay, so again, you if you want to enhance that, okay, I although it is posted during invoice, I want a separate, then during the PCP we can choose, next to PCP we can choose IP. Okay, remember I copied IB, IN and RV. If I need, I can use, when you practice, you change the IN to something else, say IP. Do I have IP here? If not, you can configure a new document type, a PC or payment card. So that the thing is, when the payments are posted, this is IN that I agree, but the payments may need something else. So here instead of IN, I will choose maybe PC or something. Okay, so here the payment is posted. Now let's see whether the auto clear has also happened or not. So I'll open the account balance display of this customer, which I have never done till now. Slash n is sorry, FPL9, and you will see only these ones are cleared. 21, 21, 21, 21. Rest all are open. So these are all invoices we have practiced. Some with clarification, some with debit note, credit note, and some has become. These were posted last year maybe. These have become overdue also. Hang on, I did not post anything in last year because we started from 2nd of Jan. How come? Mm, okay, okay, sorry. We posted today only, backdated posting we have done. Anyways, so now the auto clear has also worked. I did not have to run FPMA FPO6. Automatically the auto clear is executed and the clearing has happened. Okay. Now you'll see. So this part is done. Okay. Up to here it is done. Now let's see the payment card information, because for the settlement the payment card information has to be stored somewhere, and the status will be not yet settled. Now once the settlement is happened, the status will be settled. Okay, so all these document numbers I'll copy and I'll open in table. Can I open one more screen? Slash OAC16. Okay, so the payments will the GL items will appear in DFKK OPK table anyways. So here I'll add all the document numbers, and here I'll find the GL items. Okay, so here we have the revenue GLs. This is the tax GL, and these are the payment card items. Now the payment card items, we have seen that they will be stored in another table, OPKC, DFKK OPKC. So if I copy paste all the document numbers, only these four will have entries in OPKC. This one will not have, because here the payment card information is missing. Okay, why OPKC is needed here? I see that I see the card jail, but I don't see the card information, which credit card was used and all, Mastercard, that information. For that information, or whether the settlement has taken place or not, for that information we go to OPKC table. Okay, so copy all line items and go to slash o AC16N DFKK OPKC. Here you enter, pass all the document numbers. Only the payment card document numbers will appear. Okay, so four document numbers will appear, and here the card information is there, and also the billing is done or not. Right now the status is no settlement, and once I'll perform the settlement, it will become settlement executed. Okay, so if I run this table blank, you will see few of them settlement is completed. Blank, I'll execute, you will see how does it look like when the settlement is executed. So these are settlement completed, and this is a settlement document also. Okay, so our four will be lying at the bottom. These four are not yet settled. So here, once it is settled, the settlement ID will be populated here. Okay, now let's perform the settlement. So the settlement T code is FPCS is one T code via which you can do, but I'm not going to do FPCS. I'm going to use some other T code. Okay, so for that T code, go to the easy access screen, accounting, financial accounting, contract account receivable payable, periodic processing. At a particular periodic interval, the settlement may happen, maybe every Friday or maybe every fortnightly, every month end, the settlement will happen. Then data for externals, payment card organization. Here, this will be the T code to bill. Before you bill, you want to see list of payments. You come here, and with the payment card type 0002, you can see all the list of payments. Okay, same, this is just DFKK OPKC screen itself. Okay, go to the right hand side, OPKC. Okay, so how many items are paid and how many items are settled, these settlement informations are there. And if you want to see only the settled item, this T code is FPPCAS. FPP cash, this is to see the list of payments. Payment means the credit card payment that are posted during invoicing. And if you want to see only the settled item, come here, list of settlement, FPPCLP. Okay, so I want to see what are the items which are already settled. Only show me settled item. This one is settled, but the billing document is not generated. Maybe it is settled using test run only. So here settled item will be shown. Okay, so now I will do the billing. I mean, billing means not CI billing, but this means that settlement. Okay, so here I have created a variant. Choose the variant CS1 underscore update, and here you can enter. After settlement, it will generate a file. Okay, a file, because using that file the settlement will take place. The Mastercard team or um, that company will settle it. Okay, using that file itself. So say CS underscore, CS means card settlement underscore 2701 2025 underscore 1. Okay, do not use slash. Sometimes I tried using slash. Slash system will consider that is a separate directory, because these are directory, right? L11 path, these are directory. So in the file, if you use a slash, then it will try to find it as a new directory. Okay, use underscore 1 at the description here. Payment card type 0002, company code this. When the payment posting happened, the payment posting happened on 1802, 1802, and add the four document numbers which require settlement. Document numbers 645 to 648. 645 to 648. Okay. Then update run posting date. So I'll put this one only, although it is in future, but that's fine. So this February happened due to that scheduling rule. Okay, so what will happen, this will yes, this will generate a file. If it works fine, this will generate a file and it will post the second entry where it will transfer. The charge will not there. It will post a second entry that is from card incoming to the bank account, to the new account. Okay, so from 0001 to 0000. So everything is fine. Now click on execute. Okay, so this is the billing document, this is a settlement document. Okay, so first open the settlement document. 84, it needs to settle /n fpe1 fpe3, sorry. Enter the document. So initially the payments were lying here. So initially it was I mean this 16001 account debit, customer account credit. Now it went to the credit card payment 000 and incoming is created. And in the header, if you click on the payments, it will show the original payments also. Okay, these were the original payments and these are now settled. Now if I go to OPKC, these items will be populated and the document number 4 series doc, I think 40062 will be populated. So refresh here and scroll down, select the last four, go to the right hand side. Now the information, acha, 73, the settlement, let me see, is my settlement document 73? Yes, 73. Okay, so the settlement information is also stored. The origin key is 26, settlement payment slip. Okay, so the settlement is also completed and it will generate a file in the AL11 directory. Let's validate the file also. File will contain some information, card details and all. Where is that? Here. In this location, the file is supposed to be generated. Let's validate the file /o AL11. User SAP T40 D13 data. I think this one. Get inside, sort descending, and this is the one. Okay, open, and this is the standard how the file look like. Standard file. This is how it looks like. So here it contains the 24, 20, 21, 21, 21, 21, and the card information will be stored somewhere. Hang on, let me find the card. This is one 0005. Can I do Control F here? Here. Okay, here. Okay, so
So
here the
Shabhadra, this
yes,
file need to be shared to anyone. Like ideally, if you
to the
don't
bank,
use the file, what?
to the credit card in the American Express I have to send, so that they can know, okay, these are the different payments we have collected. I mean, these are the segregated, no summarization. So they have collected and they must pay the amount to us, total $84. Okay, for this customer, for this account. Now say if you want to enhance this, I'll quickly show you. The the credit card company may not like the format. Okay, then if you want to enhance this, SAP has given an event. If I remember correctly, the event name, let's see, /n, if my memory serves me, events.
So Shabhadra, like as per my understanding, like so we are sending the file to settle the accounts, right? But it's already pre-settled in that case.
Then you don't need
Like
this.
okay.
Then don't need this. Okay, let me check the table names. OPKH header. OPK, no, header is not needed here. Then go to payment data. 1411 event. OPKC, yes. OPKC. So here you'll see these structures are followed. Okay. If you want to enhance, you enhance this event 1411. Okay. In OPKC, see, it starts with first one character, payment card record category. this is this one. Then followed by 30 character for table name, so from here till here 30 character. Then payment card type. Okay, so this is my payment card type 000. Then it has payment card data, all this information. The card number is stored here. Okay, card number we have just from here till maybe somewhere, I don't know, maybe somewhere from here to here. So all these are stored here. Okay. So for OPKC, you will enhance this event 1411, and the other one is OPKD line. Okay. I mean, in this line, OPKC, KD, CD, CD keep on going, and last we have S. So to enhance the C line, you will enhance 1411. To enhance the D line, D is the paid item. Paid item means the invoice which is paid. Here it is OPKD. Okay, so to enhance the OPKD line, that is these lines. Okay, so here you can add that thing, maybe maybe some charges and all, but that posting has to also happen. Okay, anyways, we'll talk about that, if I ever find it out, spend time on it. So here the information for OPKD line is sent, how much payment is collected. These are the paid item. Okay, paid item means the payment document will the invoice will also appear. Invoice meaning, let me check if the invoice is also there. I think invoice is 644 is the invoice now. 644, let me see. Am I sending anywhere the invoice document? Control F, Control V. Here. Okay, paid item. OPKD is the paid item. That is which items are paid. Okay, so here invoice number is also being sent. If you want to send something else, or so here you will enhance this event. So here these includes are given now. So in this include you can add your customer defined fields. And finally OPKS. If you want to enhance, OPKS means at the end, this OPKS for this also, I think the next event 1413 complete total. Okay, 1413 you come here and you OPKS. Okay, in the total side you may want to enhance in the total. So here four payments are there and the total is 84. If you want to enhance something, say you add one more column for the total charges, all those things you can add here. Okay. Okay, so we'll stop here. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.
Sabhadra, like
Thank you.
one question I have.
Can you call me back later? I have to go to the school. Just
Okay,
ping me.
okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay, sure.